I picked up this Lionel 152 crossing gate at Bussinger's train store in Ambler, Pennsylvania, and it did not work. And I took it apart and I realized that this adjusting screw was missing, which was not holding the spring in place. So it would buzz, but that's it. Nothing would happen. So I took out the axle from here and everything came out. It's all back together. And I just bench tested it and it works. Now the tricky part is to get this motor back into the base and try and get this axle through there. We'll give it a shot.